So you don't have to do anything but aim it.
Yeah.
Recording.
Okay. All right.
And whoever ends up staying is great. If they crawl away, then I won't move those.
Right.
All right. They're going to listen very well. I said, sit down. You want to hear the book? Yeah. Want to hear the book? You want to sit? All right. You want to come sit, Aaron? You want to hear the book? You can do a special book. You want to hear a special book? Huh? These will sit pretty good because they're a little older. They're a little younger, so it's a little hard to flip.
I'll go in there and grab it.
Yeah, give it out there.
I'm on your bar.
Okay. That's okay. I think you'll get those their attention for that length of time, but the other two you probably won't. So.
Today we're going to read a Halloween book with Peter Rabbit and the Pumpkin. It's Halloween, Peter Rabbit, what can you see? Can you do it? This means it. Halloween. Rabbit, what can you see? Can you do see? One silvery moon. Sees one silvery moon. Two spindly spiders. Can you do a spider? You say spider, spider. Good job. Three yummy treats. And this is treats, like candy treats. Four black bats. Can you do bats? Like a bat flying? Four black bats. Five glowing pumpkins. Happy Halloween. Oh, Halloween, says Peter Rabbit. You do rabbit? Rabbit. And that's our special book.
Do y'all like the book? What's going on?